Well, hello youthlings, earthlings, YouTube, youthlings. But anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to sort of click the back of my phone while it's pointing in the other direction, hoping that I'm zooming in on myself. But anyway, hello again. This is me gonna do a video of how I go about doing some of my wax carvings and crayon sculptures and that. I've got to kind of come over here first of all because I've already started what I've been doing. Now, and out of the freezer, all that vegan food in there, yummy yummy. Freezer comes Pikachu because I've just done some grooves on his back, ready for a bit of brown to go in there, and I'll take him out of the freezer because I'm going to be adding hot wax to him, and I don't want it to sort of get sort of mixed up with the oh look, it's Pokemon, and I don't want it to get wax mixed up with the wax that's already there. So anyway, let me just put this in in my tripod so I can show you what I'm doing better. Right, so this is the machine I use to heat up my wax. As you can see, it heats up really quickly. A lot of control out of it. I'm wearing a glove so I don't get my crayon all dirty. And I'll take some of this is tan. These are all tan crayons, all different eras of crayons here. There's anything up to sort of 40 years old. Over 40 years old. 1967 I got that to me. Right, put a bit back from me. Oh, I love this tune. Right, you can see that, I hope, what I'm doing. Try and flow a bit of this wax into the groove, into that side. Right, so here you can see put some of the wax on the back there, then I can use my favourite of reducing tool and take some of the wax off. I really should have done this before I done the tail, to be honest. But, anyway, it's going to take a lot of concentration. I'm going back to it to show you what the outcome is, probably. Let's just turn this back down again. How long is this one so far? That's nearly 5 minutes already. So I'll just yeah, actually I'm going to show you this one quickly. This was Salacious Crumb. Unfortunately his ear fell off. I have his ear here. It goes on. Around about there, I do believe. So what I'm going to do is a bit of sticky wax, this stuff, red wax, put a minute amount on there just for something to the air to stick to. Really small. Right, that's in pretty much the right place now. Move it up a little bit. Right, that's much better. I'm pleased with that. Now put some of the some underneath there. Really delicately attach it back on again. You see it's actually a little bit of a different angle than it was originally. Actually a bit better now, I think. Right, that's that bit going. I have to do a lot of carving there, I think, just to bring that back to how it should look. Right, that's kind of it. And now I'm just going to add the length part to it again. Let me just show you how I do that. I've got to sort of blow, I get quite a nice bit of wax on my tool, and I'd blow while I'm sort of drawing it out. Hopefully I'll get a nice long thin bit of wax like that, and then I might have to shape it up a bit. Extremely delicately, and I should really be looking at the picture while I'm doing this, just so I can get it as accurate as possible. But I'm not. I'm just going by his right ear. Well, I take Salacious as a he. Salacious might be a she. Anyway, that will do for the time being. Hope you enjoyed what you saw just then. If you did, please like, please subscribe, because I'm going to be doing lots more videos of singing and crayon carving. Unfortunately my Thorby Thanos melted, and I'm going to be doing a video taking that apart and trying to rebuild him.